Hi, I'm Ajita. I work as a Green Doctor for Groundwork 5 Counties, a regional charity. We visit homes and help households stay warm, stay well and save money on bills. All aspects of the service are free of charge as we are fully funded. I'm going to go through some tips and advice on electrical safety that can help you to stay safe at home. One of the important things when looking at electrical safety in your home is when using extension cables. The best ones to use are the long bar extension leads, rather than the small cube-shaped ones, which can overheat quickly. The long bar helps to spread the heat more evenly. Also, make sure you're not overloading sockets. This is one of the main causes of domestic fires. You can check if you're overloading by using the Electrical Safety First calculator. When using cables, try to ensure that they are tidied away and not running across the room. If this is a necessity, make sure they're covered by carpet or cable covers to prevent trip hazards. Check your cables regularly for fraying and damage. If they have worn over time, then replace them as soon as possible to prevent fire. When using batteries, make sure they are not cracked or have leaks. This goes for all types of batteries, from your TV remote to charging packs. You can see if they're leaking by checking for white residue or damp patches. Don't leave batteries charging overnight, as they can overheat. Portable heaters can be an excellent source of heat, but make sure you're using them correctly. Don't cover them with drying clothes or towels, and keep them away from furniture. Before plugging them in, check for cobwebs, dust and other dirt that may have settled through underuse. It's also a good idea to clean them regularly to reduce overheating. This can be done by simply hoovering or with a damp cloth, making sure to dry it fully before turning it back on. In your kitchen and bathroom, it is important to only use electrical equipment made for these environments. Keep in mind that these areas get wet and steamy and can cause electrical shocks or fire. Make sure your ceiling lights are enclosed where possible. Never use extension cords in your kitchen or bathroom, and unplug anything you're not using. When buying any electrical appliances, whether that's extension cords, toasters or phone chargers, make sure they're coming from reputable places and have safety standard marks. These should be printed on the items as UKCA for the UK standard, CE for European standards and the British Kite Mark. If your electrics don't have any of these, do not use them. They may be cheap copies. Be mindful when buying online. If it's cheap, it's not necessarily safe. So, if you find this useful or want further information, you can contact us for a Green Doctor home visit. It is completely free of charge as we are funded to support UK households to stay safe in their homes. Visit our website to find out more and make an appointment.